Hello and welcome to this new video. In this one, I'm going to tell you a story that happened to me that made me waste a lot of time and a lot of energy and focus in my business because of a platform where I was hiring virtual assistants. And if you know that in my previous videos, I explained that in the beginning you need to focus on the who, not the how. You need to find the person who will do a specific task for you and not how you would do it yourself. Because, like, for example, if you want to build, you want to create an ad for Facebook ads, like, you're not going to start learning Photoshop and then spend all this time on learning how to use different features and how to structure the colors and how to make it look good. You're going to just go and pay someone $10 and they're going to make this for you. And now, I'm going to tell you the story of how I wanted to build my intro. I wanted to have an intro video for my YouTube videos. And maybe right now I'll plug a little intro video if I have it ready. So that is coming as well. And I started this project on February 27th. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to include a lot of screenshots to show you that everything I'm going to say in this video is true. So here you're gonna see the screenshot. When did the project start? So I posted a contest, just like I told you in one of my videos, how you post contest on freelancercom. So the platform I'm talking about in this video is freelancer.com. And I posted a job and there were people applying for the job. And I saw one concept that I like. A guy posted a video of intro. There were a bunch of my pictures and some text, like the one that I would play before starting the video on YouTube. I wanted to say, in my video, in the video named Internet Marketing Explained, I mentioned that I'm working on a video. It was 2 weeks ago, and the intro is still not done. And I'm gonna tell you the story why this happened, because it's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of energy and maybe money as well. So here's the truth. I wasted 45 days with freelancer.com. And it's because of their system and their freelancers. And I started working on the project. I hired the guy on the 2nd of March. So the contest was for 7 days. I chose him as the winner. And on 2nd of March, there should be a screenshot here, I started working with him. And he gave me a video, but there were a lot of errors in the video. I told him specific instructions. I put a lot of time. I even recorded the videos of my screen, telling him do this and do that, and he couldn't even further while we were working. I figured that he doesn't understand English. He told me, I'm gonna plug here another screenshot where he says his main language is Arabic and sometimes he doesn't understand English. But that's your problem, that's not my problem. And now he couldn't complete my request, and now you may think okay, so this is just a freelancer that doesn't know what he's doing. It's just the problem of freelancers. It's not the problem of the platform freelancer.com. And I may agree with you if the further actions didn't happen. So after the video was done, I asked him, because there was some music in the video, so I asked him where did you get this song? And he said that he got the song on YouTube. And obviously, if he got the song on YouTube, there's a high chance the song is copyrighted. So I had to just go and buy the song, but I couldn't go and just find it. So I asked him to find the song, so I would buy the license, and he couldn't find the song. So I had to spend another 7 days on different forums asking people if they know the song. So I wasted more time because of him choosing a song that is copyrighted. And then eventually I found that song and I bought it. There should be another screenshot here. I bought the song, and I switched the music in the song, and he completed the video, but he submitted the file, but the file was with a lot of errors, and then he disappeared. There were simple errors like subscribe with P instead of B. So I'm gonna plug this here, you're gonna see. He couldn't complete the request, and then he disappeared. So I just obviously reached out to someone else on another platform, not freelancer.com. I would not go there again. So I went through that platform and hired someone else and gave them the file, the source file where that video was, And when they tried to open it, they found like 51 files missing. Like 51 files. I'm gonna plug this as well. 51 files were not in that video, and like they couldn't complete the file because there was this error, like a couple of errors. Like that freelancer added things that I didn't ask him to. I didn't ask him to add other text, like only the script that I gave him. But he added some stuff of himself, and then I had to fix it. And when that other freelancer on the other platform told me that he can fix it, because like I'm gonna show you another screenshot here of how the video looked like without those 51 files that were missing. So at that point, I just reached out to support, and I messaged support a lot of times. Like I'm gonna plug the screenshot here as well. So this is obviously absolutely not how you treat someone. Like I shouldn't be contacting support so many times. Like I wasted so much time. This is the main reason. Like I want to show you guys, like you should not go to freelancer.com. They're gonna waste your time. And like this is the first time. The first time I reached out to them, they told me to wait. They told me to wait a while, and the freelancer would come back. The freelancer didn't come back. They reached out to him. They sent him an email, and then he answered it. And he told me he's not gonna give me a refund and he's not gonna change it. And like I was trying to explain to him like what I need done, but he didn't want to do it. After that, like and we were already about 27 days in the project. So it was a 3 days project max, but he extended it so much because he didn't know like what he was doing. So support couldn't help the first time. And then like after they reached out to him and they told him that I requested a refund, the freelancer reached out to me and he told me that he will compromise my YouTube channel. He said that he will tell my subscribers, like there should be a photo here, a screenshot of what he told me. And then when I saw that, obviously I went back to support and I told them about this. And they said again, like we're gonna tell him like to complete your project and to not touch, or I don't know how they told him, my YouTube channel. But you know what happened? Like again, what they told me to wait again. They didn't give me my refund. We were about 1 month into the project, maybe more than 1 month. And they told me to wait again. Like why should I wait? What's the purpose of this waiting? Like he can't complete the project. He gave me a file that I cannot edit. And then again, they told me to wait the second time. Another screenshot. Then like what happened after he told me that the channel, like he will tell my subscribers about the channel, my channel actually started going downwards. Like the statistics went down, like the views that I get for the videos. I have about 70 videos. I put a lot of effort into creating these videos. I give so much value, like it's all for free. The content here is premium. I put so much effort into reading books, testing different strategies, and I put content on this channel. And like he just can because he doesn't want to give the refund, or he doesn't want to finish the project, and he can do whatever he wants. So the result of this going down, guess whose merits are these? I have 1 single dislike on my YouTube channel. Guess who that might be? Okay, so after that, I saw that, I reached out to support again, and I told them about this. And what they told me, like they told me that they're investigating the case. So they were investigating, and then about 20 minutes in, they told me to wait another 48 hours. Like this happened again, 48 hours. So please do yourself a favor, never work with freelancer.com. Like their support, like if you're doing anything service-based, the freelancer.com is an example of what you should not do. You should not do this. Like you should close refunds with people, and you should, like if you're working with service-based, it should be done in 1-2 days max. I have a service-based business as well. I never go late, later than 2 days. Like 2 days late is max for everything that we're doing. Okay, so I told them that he told me he will compromise my channel, and my channel is going, like the views are going down, and like they told me to wait another 48 hours. And I'm like, okay guys, this can't continue like this. I will set up a timer on my phone, and I will come back exactly in 48 hours, and I'm gonna request my refund. And they told me, okay, like everything you have to do is to wait 48 hours, and then like it's gonna be settled. So I waited for 48 hours, and I came back. It was today or yesterday, And then I told them like, look, you need to give me my refund. It was yesterday. And the freelancer isn't there. Like you can see here, like he was online 8 days ago. Again, the screenshot. So they told me they will transfer the case, like this ticket, to the head of support. And if you're watching this, Chester, like, are you serious? Like after they sent the support ticket to the head of support, they sent me a message and they told me that they did me, like Chester writes, he did me a courtesy of contacting the freelancer on my behalf. Like, are you serious? Like, is this all you can do? Like, after I had to wait 5 times for 48 hours, you're telling me that you did me a courtesy of contacting this freelancer on my behalf. I told you to give my refund. I don't want to waste more time. I waited 45 days with your platform, with your completely incompetent support. Like this is not how you should structure your support team. And this is the message that I got from him. And I told him that I will tell my audience about what's going on. And if you're watching this, please don't go on freelancer.com to order anything, to hire any VA. Freelancer.com doesn't work. I recommend to go on Upwork, on Fiverr, on onlinejobs.ph. And don't think that I'm new to this. I have hired about 30 people online. About 15 people I hired on Upwork.com, about 3 people on freelancer.com, about 10 people on Fiverr.com, to another person on online jobs, because that's what being a digital entrepreneur requires. You need to hire people who will do specific tasks for you. But freelancer.com is customer support and structure of how they do things is absolute worst. I do not recommend them. And like, I don't know, like, this is just my opinion. Like, if you saw all these screenshots, just vote below, vote like or dislike for if you think I am right and they should give me my refund, and click the like button. If you think that I am wrong and they should like the freelancer should keep the money and I should find somebody else, press this like button. But whatever you choose, tell me down in the comments, like, why did you, this is really important, like tell me why you think this I'm right or wrong. And then if you want to go one step further, you can also like message the freelancer.com support. So it's support@freelancer.com. There should be their email below with the ticket. I'm gonna post the ticket below as well, a ticket number, and you can tell them their opinion about this situation. Like, okay, they can refund me my money. They can refund how much I paid, but how are they gonna refund my time? And if something like this happens to you, how are they going to refund your time? And this is another thing to think about. So I hope you got value from this video and you see like what can happen. And as I mentioned, like, I'm gonna share success stories. I'm gonna share failure stories. I'm gonna tell you what to do and what not to do in these YouTube videos. If you're an entrepreneur, if you are growing a business online, you're obviously working with people, and I hope this will be helpful to you. So I hope you got value from it, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.